Did you know an entire royal family was wiped out during a dinner party they thought would save their lives? In 750 AD, the Abbasid revolution had just overthrown the Umayyad Caliphate in Damascus. The new rulers claimed they wanted to restore proper Islamic leadership, but 80 Umayyad princes and nobles still lived, posing a potential threat. So the Abbasids sent a clever invitation, offering complete amnesty and a grand reconciliation feast. The Umayyad nobles arrived in Damascus believing they would be pardoned. They sat down to eat, relieved their lives would be spared. Then Abbasid soldiers burst into the dining hall with swords drawn. They attacked every guest while they sat helplessly at the table. But here's the most chilling part. Servants spread leather covers over the dying princes, then continued serving the meal on top of their bodies. Only one Umayyad prince escaped this massacre, fleeing to Spain. He established a rival caliphate that ruled Iberia for 3 centuries. One dinner party changed the course of Islamic history forever.